What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin, your daily Bitcoin update. Yeah, we have quite a lot to talk about. I mean, first of all, the fundamentals have changed to the more bullish spectrum, or they have become more bullish. We'll talk about that. But even though Bitcoin and crypto in general fell down pretty hard because of the news yesterday that Binance and their CEO were sued by the CFTC. Caused quite a lot of bearish pressure and momentum very quickly. Yesterday you can see that we dropped down immediately through to 26,800, our main support now. And I immediately made an emergency update, as most of you probably know, which was correct. I mean, in the end, it was bearish news, but it was a bit of an overreaction perhaps. Or at least it would have been an overreaction to say that we were going to drop down even lower. Now, right now, the market structure has definitely changed. The market structure right now is significantly different, whether you believe it or not, but from the market structure this weekend. This weekend, it was still arguably bullish, but right now, it's no longer bullish. That doesn't mean that it cannot become bullish again, but there are some just things we need to talk about regarding the structure. So before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, we've been making profits in these markets as well. Check out the links down in the description or the pinned comments, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. All right, but now on to Bitcoin, and I'm kind of debating what to... all right, let's start with the fundamentals. So first of all, we have that lawsuit. I think most of the bearish pressure from that on the short term we have already had that. Now obviously updates on the lawsuit will move the market, but it will probably take some time before we get new updates. Now on the other hand, the dollar strength index is bearish. It's dropping down quite a bit. Now we're at a support level, so we might find some support on the short term. But overall we are actually fairly bearish, and that's also supported by a strong euro against the dollar that's rising, almost at resistance too. So a lot of things are pointing towards that the dollar strength index will find some support, at least on the short term, which is bearish for crypto. And that's kind of the problem, because due to the bearish fundamentals, or due to the lawsuit, we did not get the bullish momentum from this dollar strength index drop. So the big question right now is can we, if the dollar strength index gets a bit bullish again, can we actually hold our main level between around 26,800? Because if that breaks, I mean, then we still have support at 26,500. To be honest, I don't think it will break, because even if we drop down below that, we got this 100 EMA, we'll just find support there and bounce back above that. But even if we hold 26,000, even if we hold that, and the dollar strength index gets dropping again and we become bullish with Bitcoin, then right now, as you can see, we've been making lower highs since practically, well, what is it? Almost a week ago, last week, Thursday. And we've been respecting that. And this bearish breakout that we had because of the news kind of confirms that market structure. So I think we can hold the current support levels, but then we will get up to our main resistance levels around 27,500, 27,700. Will we be able to break above them? And I think the answer is not that easy. At this point of time, it actually looks like it is not the case. I mean, it would be the case if the dollar strength index starts dropping a lot right now. All right, then we can actually, then I think there's enough bullish momentum to actually get above that. But for now, I'm actually going to say that it's more likely that we will stay in this market structure, and perhaps with that drop down a bit lower towards 26,500. But yeah, I'm actually leaning towards the more bearish scenario, which would be dropping down to 26,000 and then afterwards down to 25,250. I'm leaning towards that, but as I said, there's a lot that can happen in the upcoming few days. I'll definitely monitor that closely, keep you updated, and I'm not expecting that much movement for necessarily the next 24 hours. But again, I'll be back. When something big happens, I'll do a quick update and I'll be back either way tomorrow morning. So thank you for watching. Take care today and bye.